friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this we're going to do the camera comparison review between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus iQOO 7 device. So which phone has got the really best camera? That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. And during this time of demonstration I did include the couple of samples including night shots and selfie shots as well, and outdoor shots and macro lens. Everything I did include in this complete entire camera comparison between these both phones. And let's get started, friends, without wasting any time. And one more thing, I did not include any kind of video comparison. So video comparison I'll try to do separately because this video is dedicated only for the camera comparison between the photos only. And the Realme GT Neo 2 has got the 64 megapixel lens on the backside and 48 megapixel lens on the iQOO 7 device. Let's see, friends, how much difference can it be there between these both phones in terms of the colors and accuracy, and in terms of the front cam and low light photography, which will be really best one. That's what I'm going to exactly compare between these both phones in this entire video. So first let's start with the basic front camera lens. As you can see, this is a night mode shot which I have taken in both phones. You can see the clarity between these both devices, iQOO 7 and the Realme GT Neo 2, how the front cam shots in the night mode. This is what I am trying to take using the phone flashlight. And these are night mode shots. You can clearly see, friends, how much difference there is between this iQOO 7 and the Realme GT Neo 2 in terms of the night mode shots. You can clearly compare both phones. So iQOO 7 is really very good, far better than the Realme GT Neo 2 in terms of the low light photography. It's very good. It's damn good. You can clearly see the difference, how much it is there between these both phones. You can see the color accuracy in terms of the night mode shots as well. Exactly. So this is one thing, friends, in the low light photography, the iQOO 7 is clearly the winner in terms of the night mode shots. No doubt at all when you compare with the Realme GT Neo 2. And this is another night mode shot which I have taken comparing both phones. Now you'll be able to see exactly the difference, how it is. You can compare. So not bad in terms of the both phones camera shots. And this is a macro lens which are taken using these both devices. Macro lens also really good in the iQOO 7 device. You can see the details, how much it can actually capture. In the Realme GT Neo 2 it looks little bit blurred, but not much blurred. But macro lens is also slightly better in the iQOO 7 device in terms of macro photography. That's what little bit I did like. Little bit you can see the difference for yourself. And this is a wide angle lens which I have taken. In the wide angle lens the focus was also not bad, and it's really good in the wide angle lens. You can see in the wide angle lens I was unable to focus on this exactly this kind of mesh here using the Realme GT Neo 2, but I can actually focus properly in the iQOO 7 device using the wide angle lens. And this is another shot which I have taken using the wide angle lens as well. You can compare the colors between these both phones, how they look, colors and details. This is a normal lens which I have taken between both devices. Normal lens. Clarity and details, the amount of details you can see comparing both devices. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, which camera samples you felt the best as well. And these are macro lens which are taken using both cameras. So macro and outdoor shots. So these are taking outdoor shots. So outdoor shots are not bad between these both phones, so which are pretty good. Nothing much huge difference. And these are also outdoor shot which are taken. Can try to observe the differences. So some scenarios the Realme GT Neo 2 is little bit kind of better. In some scenarios the iQOO 7 I did feel slightly kind of better in the outdoor shots as well, little bit. And this is the outdoor front camera shot which I have taken. So you can see the outdoor front camera shot slightly kind of sharpens little bit. iQOO 7 device in terms of front cam clarity, you can see the detail is kind of soft. In the Realme GT Neo 2 it's little bit kind of soft kind of colors I'm trying to get. And these are 64 megapixel lens which are taken in both phones, and I'm trying to do zoom in close to the object. I'm trying to use the third-party gallery application where you can actually zoom slightly more than usual. That's the reason I thought of demonstrating you the zooming capabilities between these both phones, how they are actually working. So clarity wise I think both phones are slightly kind of better. Nothing much huge difference in the clarity wise. In terms of the zooming capabilities, nothing much difference I can find exactly. And next shot is in the Realme GT Neo 2 you can actually zoom up to 20x. That's the reason you're trying to zoom a little bit kind of more. In the 20x the camera can actually go up to, and this is the maximum 10x can the iQOO 7 can go, only 10x. And that's the reason I'm trying to compare both shots, 5x as well. So in terms of the camera wise, both phones feel slightly kind of better. Nothing much huge difference in the camera wise. I mean in terms of the back camera shot in the outdoor, In some scenarios, you can see the dynamic range, how it is sharpened in the iQOO 7 device a little bit, but slightly kind of dull in the Realme GT Neo 2 a little bit. the dynamic range on the back side. That's what I thought of comparing between these both phones. And this is another shot with a wide angle. No, sorry, normal lens I think. And this is a wide angle shot which are taken in both phones. So wide angle also not bad, so nothing much huge difference between these both devices. So in the low light photography is slightly kind of better, and this is another shot which are taken in both phones wantedly just to check which can actually capture more amount of data in this area. And this is another outdoor selfie shot which are taken in both phones. You can clearly see in terms of the front camera. And this indoor photography shot which are taken indoor side. One thing is pretty clear, friends, the Realme GT Neo 2 has got slightly wide angle. I mean, extra length will be covered, extra area will be covered in the Realme GT Neo 2 when compared with the iQOO 7. Slightly kind of close-up shots you'll be getting the iQOO 7 device, little bit close-up shots. But you can try to see droplets of water a little bit. So this is another shot which I taken. So you can see slightly kind of soft kind of color I'm getting feeling, friends, in the Realme GT Neo 2, and a little bit kind of close to subject in the iQOO 7 device, a little bit. These are the differences between both phones in terms of the camera wise overall. So finally, friends, after watching this kind of comparison side by side, I think you got a clear idea what is going on with the both phones in terms of the camera wise. So definitely, friends, the iQOO 7 has got a couple of advantages. For example, low light photography is really good, and front camera also slightly kind of little bit better little bit when compared with the Realme GT Neo 2 in some scenarios where the image and text is really good. That's what I did like in the iQOO 7 device little bit. And low light photography is like far better than the Realme GT Neo 2 in terms of low light photography. You can clearly see how much better in the low light photography. This complete darkness I thought of creating this kind of situation, and I took the shot side by side, and you can see that clearly how much difference is there. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are your thoughts on this both phones comparing side by side. Which camera do you feel kind of really best one? So far little bit advantage for the iQOO 7 device in terms of the camera department as well. That's the thing which I did get to know after watching a couple of other reviews as well, where the iQOO 7 has got slightly better camera. So that's the reason I thought of including even this couple of night mode shots as well, which will clearly give you the clear idea what is going on with the night mode shots between these both phones. So using the night mode shots, you can see absolutely really good. So in the iQOO 7 device. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other doubts on this both phones regarding anything, let me know in the comment section below. This is the quick comparison between this Realme GT Neo 2 and the iQOO 7 device. I'll definitely do another video comparing with the OnePlus Nord 2 as well. So right now I do have the OnePlus Nord 2 with me. I can definitely do the OnePlus Nord 2 versus Realme GT Neo 2 very soon, as soon as possible. So stay tuned for those updates in case if you are interested about those kind of comparisons as well. And meanwhile, if I miss any kind of comparisons, let me know in the comments. Definitely I'll do my best to include those comparisons as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and follow my playlist for more updates between these both phones in case if you want to know more details. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.